Hello teacher and classmates, my name is Oscar. I'm studying English 4. Okay, first of all I am going to talk about I'm going to explain my point of view about the effect of technology on the environment. Okay, for me one positive effect is the technology make easier the human rights lives with a digital transformation, and now we can build intelligent houses that make easier our lives. Another positive effect is the electric cars. These cars reduce a lot of the emissions of contamination to the environment. And another positive effect is the environmental control, because we can use drones and cameras to watch an area of forest or our ocean, and we can be more consciously about our planet. A negative effect is the battery waste and the radioactivity waste. Another negative is the extraction or raw materials to develop computers or another electronic device. How did they affect climate change in the last decades? Okay, it changed the increasing temperature, the melted glaciers, the fire in the forests, and the animals losing their habitats. The majority of these points it causes by humans. Human cause the majority of these, and somewhat it can cause for the natural disasters. How we can contribute to improve the improvement of the current environment crisis? One point, we can use hydrogen fuel in ships. We can use that technology because it doesn't cause a lot of pollution in the air, and this technology really new, and it doesn't affect for example, the sea. When we use oil, we throw oil in the sea. And we can use electric cars because electric cars use batteries, and these batteries is less, it contaminate less than oil. Another thing, we can reuse batteries because we have batteries in our house, like the battery that we have in our cell phone or in our controls, and we can contribute stop using nuclear power, because this technology was great in that time in the 80s, but now this is not pretty good for our planet, because it causes a lot of problems with the radiation, and this is, it can be bad. For example, that happens in Chernobyl, or something that happens in Japan, in Hiroshima. Okay, another is stop buying things that we don't know. This is something capitalist thinking, but we need to think, and we need to buy things that we really need, because we are throwing a lot of things, and we are causing a lot of trash, and we are reusing that, and we don't know is we are destroying their natural resources for doing that things. Thank you for hearing me. Okay, and see you again.